What's up, guys? Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. Are you all familiar with the definition of insanity? You've probably heard this before somewhere. Definition of insanity: doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. As you know, I talk to salesmen and contractors from all over the country every single day. I wake up to a slew of emails, comments, requests, calls on my schedule to chat about programs and all that stuff. And all of you guys are reaching out to me for the same reason. Something's not working, or you want to do better, okay? But most of the time, you guys are calling me and you're like, hey, I hear you talking about having an 80 or 90% closing ratio. I know that's possible because I see people do it. I'm only at like 40%. And if I don't make this work for myself soon, like I have to quit and take a job making like $12 an hour somewhere because I have bills to pay. Like I can't keep riding the learning curve. Or you'll be a business owner and you'll say, yeah, well, we really want to learn that supplement stuff. We see those supplements that you guys show, you know, $10,000, $12,000, $17,000, $48,000. Those are huge. I mean, we're getting supplements, but maybe they're only like $1,800 or $1,200, whatever. And, you know, we want to have that information. You know, we're just not figured it out. We're hitting our head against the wall with these adjusters, yada, yada, yada. Or a myriad of reasons, okay? Think of your reason, and then that's also one that I'm getting. And so I'm going to pop over here and chill by the frozen pond with my dog real fast. But guys, I talk to you all the time, and I'm getting stuff like that. And then I get to the end, and it's like, okay, well, obviously you and I are talking because I have something that you need, right? I have something that's been proven over and over again to get the result you're after. So, looks like we found ourselves a solution. And every now and again, I run into those of you who say, that sounds perfect, Becca. I definitely need that. So just as soon as I can get a couple more jobs, as soon as I can get a couple more of these turned over, get the funds, I'm going to buy the program. Which really translates into, right now, I can't afford it right now, but I can't wait to get started. And guys, I want to point out the insanity of that mindset with you today. If you have everything you've been doing up to this point, it's not like y'all just started 2 weeks ago, okay? I'm talking to you guys and you've been doing this for 3 months, 6 months, 6 years, 15 years, some of you, okay? And so if you come to me and you say, I really need help doing this and achieving this, but I don't have the money right now, but I know that's exactly what I need. That's going to be the game changer. What makes you think that if what you've been doing for the last 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever, has gotten you to this point where you don't have the money, what makes you think that doing it for 3, 6 months, another year is going to get you to the place where you have the money? That's insanity. What's going to change? If you and I get on the phone and we go, this is an easy fix. You just need this script. Like you're missing a big piece of the sales presentation. Oh, well, you guys just need a better recruit. I could get you 10 people in the door today for the sales position if you just use this ad. Supplements, I could get you would pay back your investment in the next 7 days, if not the next 36 hours in a lot of cases. Check the reviews. Using this system, it's a no-brainer. Why would you ever say, yeah, well, let me just keep doing what I've been doing that's gotten me to this point where we needed to talk, where I don't have the money? Because if I just keep doing that, I'll probably have the money. What are you going to do? That doesn't make any sense, you guys. Look around. If you're in your home right now, look around. I'm betting you have a TV on your wall that was $2,000. I'm betting you went to college, some of you, and you spent tens of thousands of dollars, went into debt for it, didn't blink twice. A lot of you just bought the new iPhone, $1,000, and you're looking at your career where an investment could be made today, a small investment compared to a lot of the things you guys spend money on, and all of us spend money on, right? That could change your results and put you light years ahead in just a number of days or weeks, and you're not going to pull the trigger on that. Let's rethink, okay? That's what an investment is. An investment is, I'm going to spend some money now because I know that that's going to create more wealth tomorrow. And that's what my programs do, you guys. Like, look at the results, okay? And I want to help you guys. I see so many of you who are on the cusp. It's like, look at all the people in this industry who are doing so well. There's no difference between them and you except they have the recipe. And some of them figured stuff out on their own. Some of them are following mine. But if there are people out there that are getting the result that you want, you have to do something different. Don't be insane. Don't keep doing the same shit you've been doing that's gotten you to this point where you don't have the money. We have to do something else. So guys, I really wanted to bring that up to you because you got to change your mindset. You know, I talk to guys all the time, and let's just use the supplement thing as an example because that's a really easy one. You know, my supplement program, if you are a contractor in the storm restoration business and you are not following my supplement system right now, I am praying for you at night because you are, I'm making a prayer actually for all the dollars that you are just putting in the ground, laying to rest at their funeral because you're missing them. Even those of you who think, well, I'm pretty good at supplementing, Becca. I get that every day. And then I get emails that go, holy shit, never thought of this, didn't know about this. I've never gotten a supplement this size. I wish I would have done this 2 years ago. Don't be that person. Start. Take the risk on, it's not even a risk. Take the investment. Make the investment in yourself because it's going to get you the results you're after. And maybe, you know, I've had people that they're like, you know what I'm going to do? I've never done this even before. I don't like to do it, but I'm going to take out a credit card and I'm going to put something on there because I know in 30 days, I'm going to make all that money back and more, whether it's supplements or if I get 2 more jobs than I'm getting right now, I know it's going to make all the difference. So guys, the whole point of this video is just if you are not where you want to be today, but you're not willing to make an investment in yourself to get what you need to create better results, you might as well quit today. Like, and I'm being a little forward here, but that's the truth. You know, you have to do something different. And I've worked so hard to put these programs together for you guys and they work. So don't sell yourself short. If you need help, get a program. I've put everything you need in there, whether it's for recruiting, closing, door knocking, supplementing, Xactimate training, whatever it is. So that's it. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel here. You can visit my website, www.roofsalesmastery.com, to check out the program, stuff like that. Keep it crunchy out there, you guys. Raleigh and I are going to continue our walk on this wintry morning. Raleigh. Hey, Raleigh. Raleigh, no, the good dog. He's been eating dirt over there. He does it every day. I don't know why. Pica. But anyways, you guys are great. Keep it classy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.